thanks for stopping by for this video. So today I will be instructing you on what to do if you lost your motorcycle plates, your license plate. The same thing, it's the same process if you lost your car plates as well. So it's the same process for cars, same process for bikes. So in the Jamaican system, everything is a bit tedious. So the first step is you'd have to report it to your nearest station. So this is what I did. I went to my police station that is in my area, or not in my area, but I went to the police station that's in the area that I normally traverse. So I went to the police station in that area and I let them know that, hey, my license plate is lost. And what they did was to write up a little thing, a little slip, like a paper. It's not a report, but it's like some sort of receipt that says, hey, you did report that your license plate is lost. So they logged that in a book, and what they advised me was to wait at least a week or 2 weeks and return back to the station to check to see if my license plate was found. Because what would happen is if somebody found the license plate, they would take it to one of the stations in the area or the nearest station that they found it from. And the station said they would call me, but no one did. So I went and checked and they didn't find it. So after I did that, then I went to the tax office. So this is the official. So I went to the tax office, and you have to purchase a lost documents fee. So the lost documents fee is costing 2,500 Jamaican dollars at the time of making this video. These fees don't change every day, but every few years or so they do raise their fees. So if you watch this video 4 years down the line, then that 2,500 may be a different figure. So you take that fee now from the tax office. You receive a receipt when you pay that. You take that to a police station. It doesn't really matter which police station you take it to. So you take that to a police station and they write up a formal report for you, right? So in order for them to write up the report, they'll need your vehicle documents. So they'll need your registration, your fitness, and your insurance, and also your license. So they need all that information to write up the report to tailor it just for you. All right. So when they do the report now, they print it and they give you the report that you take back to the tax office. So you go with the report and the fee, which is the lost documents fee. You go with that to the tax office. All right. When you go to the tax office now, you let them know that you've lost your motorcycle plates, whether it's 1 plate or 2 plate, and you'd like to purchase new plates. So if it's 1 license plate you lost, they give you the option to wait at least 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. They give you the option to wait at least 6 months, or they also give you the option to purchase brand new plates. So if you lost 1 license plate and you don't want to wait the 6 months and you want to purchase new plates, then what you'd have to do is to hand them the plate that you currently have. All right. And they take that plate and they would give you new plates. Now the cost for new license plate is a total of 4,500. Remember, all this cost is at the time I'm making this video. So 4 years down the line, 5 years down the line, these totals, these costs may change. All right. So in my case, what happened was I lost both my license plates, so I had to purchase new plates. So I paid that 4,500 fee, and then I got new plates. And that's basically the process of getting new plates if you've lost your plates, right? The process for losing your documents now, such as your registration and so forth, it's a bit different, so I'll make a different video on that. Alright, so the first thing we did do was go to the police station and do this little, I don't know what they call it, because they say I report it name. So we do this, basically. And after me do this now, me go the tax office not even look on this. Me even honestly me don't know why me do this. They just go to the police station and make them know say yo, me I report my plates missing. You see me last. So after me do that, me go tax office. Me pay 2,500. Me pay 2,500. Me pay 2,500 for this. This is a motor vehicle lost or stolen documents fee. So you pay 2,500. After you pay 2,500 for this, you know you do your go to the police station. So right now they are Crossroad police station. So you go to the police station and you get a written report. And after you get the written report now, you go blouse and skirt, you go back at tax office, and that's so you can get your plate. So just journey with me, guys. You know, this is a whole process new to me, and I can through it so I can learn from it and thing. So in total, I paid $7,000 to have my new license plate. So in all that you do, guys, try to secure your license plate. Try not to lose anything, because these costs will only go up. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Any questions, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer it. Thanks again. Peace out. So I'm just going to ride with plates.